Number one is voltage, the force which tends current to flow. It is the potential difference between 2 points. The electrical unit of voltage is volt, named in honor of Count Alessandro Volta, who is best known for creating the first electric battery called the voltaic file. This is the picture of Count Alessandro Volta. The sources of voltage are number 1 battery, number 2 generator, and number 3 photovoltaic cell. Number 2 current. It is the flow of electric energy. The flow is from the source through the lines to the load and then back to the source. This system is known as direct current or DC because the flow of current is always in the same direction. This is the example of a direct current. It flows in one direction. AC stands for alternating current, which means that the current flow changes its direction periodically. In this system, the AC flows in repeated cycle, where the current starts rising to the maximum and then drops to zero, reverses direction, and repeats the cycle as long as the circuit is on. And this is the example of the AC current. The unit of current is ampere, represented by the capital letter A, named in honor of French physicist André Marie Ampere. And this is the picture of André Marie Ampere. Frequency. It is the number of complete cycles performed in 1 second, such that 1 cycle per second equals 1 Hertz. The unit of frequency is Hertz, named in honor of the German physicist Rudolf Heinrich Hertz. Our AC line frequency is 60 Hertz, and we can see the frequency waveform as shown in an oscilloscope. Resistance is the force which opposes and reduces the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohms, named after the German physicist George Simon Ohm. Ohms is represented by an omega sign. This is the flow of electrons resisted by the resistance of a conductor. Power refers to the amount of work done by electrical energy at a given time. It is the product of voltage and current and is measured in watts. Watts is represented by the letter W. The unit of power called watt is named after the Scottish inventor and a mechanical engineer, James Watt. This is how power is transmitted, distributed, and consumed by the consumers. This is the kilowatt-hour meter that is used to measure power consumption. We have learned that electric circuit is a closed path for current flow. Electricians are concerned with many types of circuit as series, parallel, and a complex or combination circuit. Series circuit is the basic circuit that we should know and understand. For a circuit to have a continuous flow of current, it must have the following parts. Parts of the complete circuit are: number 1, source. This consists of batteries, generators, or main electrical power supply which supplies electricity. Number 2 are the connecting wires, paths, or lines. These are wires that connect the load to the source and through which electrical current flows.